In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox if it instantly crashes after launching on Windows. Right, so there are a few ways you can fix this or try to remedy this. The first of which is just to restart your device. So if Roblox keeps crashing on your PC, Mac, or mobile device, just try to pick a restart. It's very easy. It's, everybody knows this. Another way is to make sure that the servers of Roblox are not down. So just go to downdetector.com/status/Roblox, see whether or not the Roblox servers are up and running. If not, you might just need to wait. Another step is to clear a Roblox cache. So to do this, please press Win plus R, and then type %temp% and click OK, and then press Control A to select everything and press Delete to delete everything, so that after that your Roblox stuff will be re-downloaded fresh and new. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.